Welcome back. Today we have another Draz tutorial how you can get coins and how you can use these coins to buy product at discount. You can use the free coins and you can earn daily coins from Draz. How you can earn once you have ordered any product, you will get a coins option, and you will get more than 500 to 700 coin daily, which means you can get daily 10 to 15 rupees. But once you have collecting them daily, you can will be having more than 1000 rupees, and you can get expensive products in much discount by using these kinds. So now there is a big Eid sale. You can buy some products and you'll be getting thousands of coins, and you can use these coins to get discounts. And how you can use these coins and how to get coins, first of all we'll explore this. Open the Draz home page, and at the top you will see the two option, coins and the wallet. Click on the coins, and then you can see that you'll be moving to the Draz coins, and here you can get coins daily on daily basis and check in and collect. And you can see that you can use coins for the discount, 2% off you can get with discount. So imagine if you are purchasing the product of 5000 and you are getting 2% off, it's much. So you can use these coins. So you can see that currently I have 23,178 coins, which is total 232 in price. So now I have to collect this coin, so I'll simply click on this check in and collect. And so you can see that my amount is increased to 246. You can click daily and you can get coin on daily basis. Once you have purchased more products, your coin limits will be increasing. So now we are using coins in some of the products. How to use coins for discount? Suppose I want to buy some of the products from there, and I want to use this coin. So I want to buy this per fake nail. So there's a 2% off with this coins. So you can see that shipping from overseas. Click on the confirms, and you can see that delivery is free even in sale is started, so delivery is free. So you can see that you can even earn coin on by ordering product, and you can even redeem coins for up to 9 rupees off. So you can, once you order this product, you will be having 9% discount. Suppose I am clicking on a buy now option, so you can see that you can use the coins. So you have to just click on this, and your coin will be cut for 9 rupees, and so you can get the discount of 9 rupees. So you can see that its item total is 439, delivery fee is 149, and you're exchanging 900 coins and for 9 rupees, and you can get discount of 9 rupees. And it's very little discount, but if you are purchasing a very big product, you can use more coins, which price is much. So you can see that its price is around about 2000. So I'm using coin in this. So you can see that you can use rupees 37 coin with. So it's mean that you are getting 37 rupees off in a 2000 product. So if you are purchasing a product of 5000, you might get the discount of 100 to 200 rupees. So this kind option in Draz is a good option. So subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.